Hey, how's it going today? So I got myself a 2013 Mazda 5. Yeah, Mazda 5. Still early yet for me. Anyway, a customer came in, they want service done, and they got a check engine light. So I got my scanner hooked up to it, and let me show you what I got. So here we go. This is the vehicle. It's got 109,845 on it. So here we go. Shut that off. We have a code P0101. Mass airflow sensor circuit range performance problem. I love that. And then a P2299 accelerator pedal spring back malfunction. Now, what on earth does that mean? That's a weird code, right? Well, I actually know what that means. I've seen it before, and 9 times out of 10 it's driver error. What that's for is for those of you who like to foot brake cars. That's accelerating with your foot on the brake at the same time. Like if you're on a hill or whatever, or you're trying to smoke the tires by doing a brake stand, something along those lines. Well, the person that owns this particular vehicle is about 137 years old, and that's a code I would expect to see in a car like this with a driver like that. Now, the mass airflow sensor circuit code, I can pretty much guarantee you it's one of two things. Mass airflow sensor is probably dirty. Secondly, it's probably got the wrong air filter installed. Now, I shouldn't say wrong, actually. It probably has, like a cheapo filter from, Walmart or something in there. I shouldn't just single out Walmart. It could be, Walmart or Jiffy Lube or any of those places, because they buy air filters in bulk, and they usually buy the least expensive stuff they could possibly find to make a big profit. And I get it. I understand it. But a lot of times those air filters will wreak havoc on mass airflow sensors. So I did pop the air filter out to look. I didn't pay attention to anything yet, though. So let's go out underneath the hood and take a look. All right. Now, the car does run very well, I must say. And one thing I did notice was that there is a voltage code in the ABS system. So now, the mass airflow sensor is right there. It's on the back side of the air filter lid, the air filter housing. And let me do that. It's pretty dirty. That's the thermistor for the temperature sensor right there, the intake air temperature sensor. That's this section where the air flows through for the mass air meter itself. And now here's the air filter. It's not particularly dirty. Oh, and it's a Fram. And I can tell you, honestly, I cannot stand Fram. Look where it's made. Most stuff is made in China. But I am not a fan of Fram at all. If you've ever taken one of their oil filters apart, you'll understand why. They used to be great, and they have just become the cheapest standard product you can buy nowadays. I actually will never use a Fram product in my cars, ever. I don't care what it is. I just won't use it. It's just their quality is terrible. But I'm willing to bet that that's the problem. Like I said, that other code for the brake, like I said, all that means is the person who was driving it had their foot on the brake and the gas at the same time. What that'll do is that'll create a very low power issue. It'll actually put the car into almost like a limp type mode, where it'll be very sluggish, and then usually it'll snap itself out of it. You don't necessarily have to cycle the key. It'll usually just do it on its own, after a momentary time of, no foot on the brake at the same time as you're accelerating. So that's about it for right now. I'm going to go through this vehicle, check it all out. They want to, check the brakes, check, the cabin air filter, check the fluids, everything else, because it has basically 110,000 on it. So that's where I'm going today with this, and I'm going to go ahead and start working on that. So if you guys have any questions for me ever, always, put it in the comments. If there's something you want to see me cover, put it in the comments. Let me know. I do check all the comments. So I'll see what I can do. I'll try. If you want a specific video, I'll try to make it for you. So that's about it for now. Hope you guys have a great day and keep wrenching. Oh, hit the like button, please, and subscribe if you could, please. Thank you. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.